Introducing Nysafe-700 Antiviral by Nycote Laboratories Corporation. This high-performing polymer nylon epoxy formulation enables our mass transit interior companies to better protect their surface materials from the degradative effects of cleaning chemicals and everyday wear and tear, while also providing a proven additive that can protect surfaces and the traveling public from bacteria and viruses, including SARS-CoV-2. This product has passed viral, flammability, toxic smoke, and other testing required for aviation interiors. If you require a known mission-critical corrosion wear preventative product that can also provide permanent viral and bacterial protection, then you need Nysafe-700 AV. Nycote products have been keeping people and aircraft safe for over 60 years. You can see here Nysafe in action. It cures clear, brush on or spray marks will level out, and if you look closely, you can see the pinholes resolving before your eyes. You asked for a one-part, easy-to-use product that could protect on any substrate, and we delivered. Contact Nycote for more information.